Pauwi na tayo, guys. I am here from Taptani Mall. I just met my 2 friends and I am going home right now. So we are walking here across the road, going there at the Skanderbeg Square. I will be going home to the boarding house. Malamig. So very cold today because it's December 29, I think, today. I'm not sure. Life here in Albania, Europe. Sana i-bless tayo sa 2025. I hope and I pray that our God will be blessed, because a lot of experience that I have here, bad experience, but maybe soon I could have a good experience, because I know God gave me this kind of situation because He knows that I could carry and overcome it. Yeah, that's a Taptani Mall. Malamig dito. Uuwi na tayo at tutulog. Wow, ang laki ng aso niya. My soul.